How Amazon verify your supplier? Amazon does not just look at your invoice. They actually call your supplier and verify it. And most sellers have no idea how. In this video, I will show you how exactly Amazon checks why seller fail and how to stay safe. Why this matter. This is the real reason seller hit with inauthentic item complaints, brand rejections, invoice rejections, account suspensions, even with real invoices. So what triggers supplier verification? Amazon verifies suppliers brand. Somebody gives you an inauthentic or IP complaint. Brand ungate request is submitted and it gets rejected. A new wholesale ASIN is launched and then price looks suspiciously low. Like for example, a product, common product. This product is selling at $19. You started selling it at $6. So Amazon may consider it suspicious, stating that why and how this seller can buy so low and how this seller can sell at too low price from the market. So invoice quality does not match risk level. So verification is always risk based. That is very important. It is not random. So when there is a risk, Amazon will check everything. So what Amazon cross checks? Supplier business name, these things. Supplier business name, address, phone number, email. And if your supplier does not exist online, then you are already gone. How Amazon contact your supplier? They always call your supplier, email them, ask brand owner directly, verify invoice serial numbers. They ask the supplier that did you sell the products? Is this authorized? Are you allowed to resell or are these products genuine? And if like in some cases everything is real, but your supplier is not responding to the email, phone call, oh, then Amazon considered it flagged. Amazon considered you are guilty. So common reason seller fail, supplier denies authorization. Supplier says you that they will tell Amazon that you're authorized, but then when Amazon contact them, it says that we do not care about Amazon. They says retail stores, some retail stores pretend to be wholesalers, so they provide you fake or editable invoices. So your brand name is not matching invoice. So Amazon basically trusts brands and distributions, not the sellers. So how to pass supplier verification? Always use real wholesaler and distributors. Talk to your wholesaler and distributor before submitting invoices and ask them that Amazon may contact them. Amazon may contact them, and so that is why they must be ready. They show an agreement. Okay, so we will tell Amazon that like yeah, this product is purchased from us, and we give authorization to this person. Avoid all kind of clearance and liquidation stock. I explain this in every video. Stay from Telegram distributors, stay from Pellet Fly, like these open liquidation stocks. So these are all led to a strong suspension which cannot be reversed. So how you can prevent from getting suspended to stay safe long term? Keep your supplier invoices, keep your supplier SOP, always verify with your supplier, re-verify your suppliers every 6 to 12 months. Don't mix retail versus wholesale invoice. Avoid invoice reuse, like do not submit same invoice again and again. So track which supplier supplies with which ASIN. If you want my supplier verification checklist, check the description. Please subscribe my channel and upcoming videos will cover author distributor letters, invoice rejection fix, and real wholesale sourcing. So now this is a genuine invoice. There are other invoices which are not acceptable. I can show you those right away. Like this, people buy from Target and they consider that this is acceptable. Yeah, this was acceptable for brand and getting, but now it is not, because now Target gives you like this kind of invoice which is considered a retail receipt. And also if Amazon tries to verify with Target, they will normally they do not bother to reply to Amazon, and you are considered as guilty. So that was today's video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.